Hey Fly Babes, here we're going to do our ankle sail. So first things first, you want the fabric to be in front of you. You're going to crisscross your fabric and step your right foot in. You want to make sure the fabric is underneath of the arch of your foot. Now think X marks the spot. You want this X to be over the top of your foot. You're going to drive your right knee through. Make sure you're right underneath the rigging points. That back heel is lifted up, you stand up tall and bring that left leg through and onto the foot. Now because I'm using my right foot, I'm gonna hold on to the right side of the fabric. Roll my body forward, extend the arms out. Now I'm gonna take this left foot, not underneath this fabric I'm holding onto, but over it. You're gonna take your foot onto a slant and press the fabric all the way down to your ankle. You want to make sure this leg is staying straight. You're going to feed your left leg through and come on up. Make sure you readjust the fabric so it's through the center of the chest. This is really your aesthetic leg, so you can keep it straight, you can split out, or keep it bent. Now the trick is of how many times we have to roll out. So I rolled up once since we have short ceilings here. So to come out of it, you'll have to roll out twice. If you roll up 2 times, you're gonna have to roll out 3 times. Here we are. I like to stay in this stacked position and you roll out 1 and 2. Release out of it, and there you have it, your ankle sail.